Oh yes, 2103 has M3s again. Yesterday was 9835. This morning, 9873 leading. Wow. This week, 3 Ronkonkoma branch trains had M3s a lot of times. Wow. 1919, yeah, 1919, 1060, and 2103. 9873 is leading today. This is going to be so much fun. It's heading to Farmingdale from Ronkonkoma to prepare for its Farmingdale to Penn Station run. It's going to be passing. Here it comes. Here comes the M3. 9873's horn is going to be really loud, I bet. So let's prepare ourselves for this. Let's get ready. It's going to be a loud one. It's going to be great. Ready? Here we go. Wow, 2103 with M3s again. 9873's horn was great. Almost loud, but I'll take it. That was pretty good. Nice horn blast too, and a lot of familiar faces. 9907 was on the train. I remember seeing that pair on election day on 1919 and 1060. Even 9841, 42, 98, 23, 24, 98, 07 and 8, and 98, 39 and 40. I remember seeing those 4 pairs on train 1912 2 days ago as well. And those 5 pairs joined the party with 9873 as well. Wow. 2103 strikes again and does the honors again. Wow, what a special week and a special month. Wow, that was amazing. All right, we got an M9 coming. This is the train that makes New Hyde Park, Maryland Avenue, Mineola, Carl Place, and Westbury, then goes express from Westbury all the way to here. Yeah. Okay. All right. There's another eastbound M9 following this one as well. So, yes. Right. Here comes the other M9 that I was talking about. Yeah, it's about to arrive. Following the earlier M9.
Train to Wyandanch will depart in 1 minute on platform B. The 522 train to is now arriving on platform B. Please activate e-tickets now and step over the gap when ready.
Okay, so here's the other M9. Very, very soon tonight, there's going to be train 1972 with M3s that I'm going to be seeing as well. And it's going to be really, really exciting to see that train with M3s. That's the 558 train to Ronkonkoma, which is going to be really, really soon. All right, so here's the other M9. Okay, got both M9s. Very, very soon, there's going to be the 558 train to Ronkonkoma with M3s, which will be train 1972. I am super excited to see that train as well. So stay tuned. Really excited. Here we go. It's M3 time. Train 1972. It's 9908 leading. I saw 9908 on 2103 this morning, and it's leading on this? Wow! This is epic! All right, it's coming in right now. You ready for this? So am I. All right. Let's do this. I needed. Wow, 9908 on 2103. In the middle of the train behind 9874 and in the middle of 984142, and now it's leading 1972. This is epic. All right, here's the M3. All right. Great. Doing great. All right. Here we go. Wow! Wow! This is the same M3 cast from 2103, and the pairs are in different positions. Wow! What a special day. This was exactly the same pairs from 2103 this morning, and when I saw it on 1972, the pairs were in different positions. Wow! This was super epic. Wow. This was such a special day. Wow.